Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back into the channel, and we are 1 week, less than a week out from Christmas. It is the 18th, it is Sunday the 18th, which means officially 7 days, but you can't really shop on Sunday because that's Christmas. You've only got 6 shopping days left, and a lot of people think that it is too late to sell things online to make some money, and that's false, because if you have it listed tonight and people can go on and buy it tomorrow, Monday, or even Tuesday, and you can ship it out priority 2-day, that's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, still 4 days. You could ship overnight express. You could offer overnight express as a shipping option on a lot of your popular items. People will be willing to spend an extra $20 or $30 because they waited till last minute. So it is not too late, but they need to be up and listed tonight or tomorrow to make sure you can sell those last few items before Christmas and pocket that last few hundred, last few thousand for some of you dollars. It is not too late. Also, do not forget, there's going to be 3 big things. It's not too late to forget or remember this, but 3 huge things that you have to keep in mind pre, at, and post Christmas. One is there is going to be returns. It's just a part of business. Let's get the bad out of the way first. There is nothing you can do about it, whether it is bought wrong item, doesn't fit, item not as described. There's gonna be returns and they suck. But the sales you made this fourth quarter, this Christmas and after should help you to offset that. Secondly, there are people who are going to shop after Christmas for the items they didn't get. Mom, dad, grandma, aunt, uncle, whoever bought them the wrong things. They didn't like them. They didn't like those gifts, but they need to still get the shoes they wanted or the purses they wanted or whatever it is. They're going to be online shopping all week long between Christmas and New Year's. If you sell fashion, now I know a lot of people don't like to sell for this reason. New Year's are really popular. Go out. Holiday weekend, guys need shirts, girls need dresses, shoes, whatever it is. A lot of that type of stuff will sell right now because people have plenty of time to get it before New Year's. Get that stuff listed, get it up, and get it out the door. You can make a lot of money. A lot of people are going to be scared and go, oh my God, people are going to rent my stuff for New Year's. It happens, but it's rare, guys. My button-down shirts and my dresses always sell. I have a bunch of button-down shirts and dresses. I tend to sell quite a few of them between now and New Year's. So I see an uptick in sales, and I hardly ever get returns because of New Year's. It's maybe happened once or twice over the years. Don't stress about it too much. If it happens, it happens. You're not going to prevent it. If somebody knows the game, they know the game, right? Third thing, people get gift cards for Christmas. They get Amazon gift cards, super popular, eBay gift cards, Visa gift cards that they can use on eBay or Amazon as like a normal debit card. So that is a great reason when people are done with Christmas that they'll come online and they'll shop. So don't just think because it's December 26th that you're not going to sell any amount of merchandise, because you can. You absolutely can. Hit up those people that didn't get what they want. You can hit up the people that need New Year's stuff, and you can hit up the people that have that free money, that gift card. And when people get gift cards, like free money essentially, something they were gonna spend $20 on, but they have a $25 gift card, they'll easily spend that extra $5 or $40, and they have a $50 gift card. They'll spend that $10 because it's not really their money. Mentally in their head, it's not coming out of their bank account, so it's free money to them, so they'll spend more than they usually would on an item. So keep that in mind, where you can kind of get better prices, more negotiating power with best offers, all that sort of thing. So just because Christmas is going to be over, it is not too late to still make money off of folks, still move items, and still get everything that you need shipping out the door and making money leading into the first week of January. Now, when January gets here, I'm going to get asked this question because I get asked this question every single year. How are sales going to be in January? Well, if you take advantage of all these after Christmas shoppers, which is a very popular thing anyways, beyond the gift cards and the gifts and whatnot, after Christmas shopping deals, people spend a lot of money. And January tends to be pretty good, at least the first week or two. I know a lot of people, once January starts coming into, once we're a couple weeks into January and people get used to this 2023 idea, the shopping might take a little bit of a dip, but it should be solid for January. I know the fourth quarter wasn't where it should have been for a lot of people, but if you listen to my videos, start selling what sells: toys, electronics, gadgets, games, tools, collectibles. Clothing is saturated. It's the easiest to get, and millions of pieces of used clothing sell every day. So it does sell if you have the right stuff. Vintage t-shirts fly off the shelf, of course. But if you sell the right stuff, you can make a sale. Start focusing on it. Start the first of the year with your New Year's resolution to open an Amazon seller account for free and start making sales on Amazon. Start working those angles. Sign up for List Perfectly and get on a secondary platform, a Mercari or a Poshmark. Give yourself a better chance to reach more customers. So that's kind of my tip for you guys as Christmas comes, as Christmas goes, and as we lead into the beginning of 2023. Of course, I'll have more videos for you all week long and all of next week as we close out this year. I cannot believe it is 2023 almost. With that said, I want to ask you guys down in the comment section below, what are your goals for 2023? What platforms do you plan on adding or listing or going to? What things are you going to change in your business? What overall are you going to do better next year in 2023? I want to hear from all of you guys down in the comment section below. I cannot wait to read it. My goals this year are huge. I'm going to put out a video, an entire dedicated video to my 2023 goals. I'll probably put it out New Year's Eve. We'll have to wait and see. Appreciate you guys watching. As always, 1 week till Christmas. It is December 18th, Sunday, December 18th, 2022. Almost the last time I can say that, but thank you guys for watching. Could you hit the like button? Appreciate it. Turn the thumb nice and big and blue and subscribe to this channel so you catch all the last 2 weeks of videos of this year. And until then, guys, I will see you next time.